Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and I'm here at the San Clemente outlet for the weekly South OC Cars and Coffee. Now normally, every car gets a single parking spot, but once in a while, a truly special car comes to the show that get two parking spots. They're double parked because they're that rare and that special. But today, we have not one, not two, but three cars deserving such an honor. Let's go check them out. Here we have Simon's Camaro, no single parking spot. And here we have a McLaren 720S, also single parking spot. And then we have VS Engineering's supercharged Lamborghini STO. You would think they got two spots, but no, but here it is. And it's behind a huge crowd, so this is really tough for me to get. This is a Lamborghini Super Trofeo EVO2. It is Lambo's basically race car. This is not street legal. It is a track toy. I'm pretty sure it's probably legally. I guess they have to trailer it here, but you know, check it out. Look at the detail on that. All dry carbon fiber. You can see the intake there, the radiator. Wow. Yeah, full roll cage, single seater. It's owned by VF Engineering, which also owns this car. And you can see there's a supercharger. That's what VF Engineering does. They supercharge Lamborghinis and Audi. So I imagine they're gonna supercharge this, or maybe not, because you know this thing is so rare. Pretty sure they'll probably just leave it stock. Wow. Top mounted wing for more downforce. Pirelli racing tire, single spoke. Now notice no carbon ceramic brakes. Those are just steel brakes. So I guess for racing, a little more reliability. Look at that. Plexiglass here. You can see the bolts that hold the windshield. Definitely deserving of being double park. Now, the second car that's double park here is something really special. This is a Bugatti Chiron Supersport. And this is the fastest car, the fastest car in the world. Top speed is 200 and over 270 miles an hour. Wow. Now, the price starts at $3.825 million, but this particular Bugatti has almost $500,000 of options added to it. Yeah, you got that right. The option on this car costs more than the average house in California. For example, the beginning, this carbon blue paint here, I don't know if you can see it in the photo, but it is done in carbon and it has been dyed blue. The carbon paint costs $220,000. This sunroof, which does not open, costs $62,000. The black anodized interior, like those knobs and everything there, $56,000. And I actually have a list of the cost of all these options. So if you want to see it, let me load it up on here and you can see it. All right, so I don't know if you can see that, but is that focusing? It's not focusing, but yeah, it's a list of all the options. It's pretty crazy. The Super Sports logo on $12,500. Brake caliper paint in that color, $6,200. This rear view mirror here, $5,000. Yeah. This logo in the front with a 16. $7,500. Yeah. So if you want to spend the final price on this car was $4.3 million. So I guess that's another reason why it's deserving to be double park. And the final car here that's double park is the McLaren Senna. Yeah, the McLaren Senna is designed to do one thing and one thing only: dominate every track it goes to. Named after the most famous F1 driver of all time. Yeah, This thing is pretty nuts. All carbon fiber, super light air intake. So you can see the super low slug engine on there. The giant rear wing that's also top mounted, is movable. And here's something interesting. You notice the Senna here has two big exhausts. That's the American version of the Senna. Other markets, they have triple exhaust because California doesn't have the same noise laws as Europe. So in Europe, it has another exhaust here to be quieter. But in America, we just want loud and loud. The Senna also has some crazy options. Nowhere near as crazy as the Chiron Supersport, but there are some pretty crazy ones. And the most craziest is this water bottle. See this water bottle here? $8,000. That's right, 8,000 bucks. So you can dispense water into your helmet to keep you cool during a race. A little crazy, but yeah, sure, why not? All right, so McLaren Senna, Chiron Supersport, and a Super Trofeo EVO2. You can see the massive crowds around them. Okay, continuing right along, we have an F8 Tributo, the cars of share. This time they bought out Porsche, you can rent that, and a Corvette C7, you can rent that as well. Ferrari Italia, very nice. Acura NSX. Ooh. Aston Martin DB9. Viper ACR. Audi R8. Another Audi R8. This is the coupe version. And this is the California version. Another Viper. Lamborghini Huracan Performante. SV Lamborghini.
That's the one thing I wish I had, Josh.
Ferrari F8. Another Aston Martin. F430.
We went back to the shop. I had to send it to him.
GT3 RS. Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. Sitting all by his lonesome. Hoping to attract more attention than the Bugatti. Not happening. GT3 RS. Another GT3 RS, a matte black. Another Acura NSX with some Japanese letters that I can't read. I'm sure it says something like "wash me." GT3 RS. A very, very bright 720S. 600 LT. And this 600 LT has the optional roof-mounted hood that costs as much as a Honda Accord. And one of the features of the 600 LT is the top-mounted exhaust, which instead of coming out the back, they fired it above the top. And that has several advantages. Number one, it looks cooler. And number two, it saves weight. It saves weight because it's less plumbing to weld it to the back, which will require more pipes. So they're able to save almost 40 pounds by welding it here. Another Porsche, both turbos. One has black wheels, one got gold wheels. And then we have what Lamborghini is all about right here. This is the Lamborghini Urus. Lamborghini's SUV, and really since the Urus came out, it has totally dominated Lambo's sale. This car now represents over 60% of all Lamborghinis sold. So in other words, the Urus outsells every other Lambo combined. German emergency vehicle. Oh wow, check it out, it's a stretcher. Cool. Right down to the uniform. Normally, dogs come to Cars and Coffee, but we have this very unusual cat. Check it out. Yeah, that is a cat or a gay dog, whatever you want to call him. But I mean, I wish my cat was this obedient.
My kids were that obedient.
If you're looking for a CA Corvette but can't buy one because of the chip shortage, well, this one is for sale. There you go. Hopefully, the owner doesn't gouge you too much for it, since like a lot of cars, a whole bunch of them are selling over list because of the chip shortage and stuff. Check out the pie wagon. Nice. The Awuga horn. Wow. Oh my, oh my. Yeah, the semi-automatic. You really need to enjoy your company of your passenger in this car, because, well, you're pretty much sitting shoulder to shoulder with each other, and hopefully you like engine noise, because the engine is just basically right behind your head. You will definitely hear the intakes going. Now, this guy obviously clearly just went from the mountains right to Cars and Coffee, right?
Yes.
No need to wash the car. It's perfect.
Exactly.
Absolutely perfect. See, most of the cars here are garage queens. You know, they drive them only on the weekend, shine them here. But this one, that's real life right here.
It is.
This is what it's all about. You got to use the car.
You gotta use it.
You got to use it. Now that is a supercharger. Yeah. 8 barrels of carburetors. It's almost as big as the engine block. And this is a fuel tank. Just enough gas to go 1/4 mile. Because that's all you need. This thing lives its life 1/4 mile at a time. Cool looking GT4. And what's cool about it is this wing here. Like it's a factory wing, but the owner replaced these brackets to mount the wing higher than stock. Yeah, while it may block some visibility in the back, in the window there, so your rear view mirror is now useless, the high wing gives it a much more aggressive look. I like it. Japanese Honda S2000 and its British cousin, the Lotus Elise, in neon green. Yeah, neon green. I like it. Check out this Lincoln. Big land yacht with suicide passenger doors. Look at that. And check out the engine. It says Continental, but it's a Chevy LS motor. That's right, because you put a Chevy LS in anything, including a Lincoln. It's the thing. And as you can see, the thing can fit a lot of people. Tesla Model 3, Tesla Model Y, and really crazy modified Tesla Model 3. And yes, it is making engine sound that you can change, controlled by an app. Oh, and air rise too, that's right. Air suspension.
Now you want to do it, you wait and let it bottom, 2 times.
There you go. The kids love it. The kids love it. The kids always love it.
Bring my remote control. You can even play games that way.
Oh my, check this thing out.
Dodge,
Little-
Purposes. You got to make sure that you
Little
have the car
four-cylinder.
well-balanced.
Homemade headers.
You don't want to have
Yeah.
when you're racing this thing.
Not one, but two horns. You know, you got twin horns. Yeah.
My son works at a coating place. He coated the header.
Lowrider truck with suicide doors. And not only a suicide door, but the door is shaved. You notice no door handles? Yeah. And check out that shifter. Ooh. It's for sale too. Check out this C6. Well, more specifically, check out the engine. See, the owner removed the hood for a reason. Want to show you the work he's done on it. Yeah, so here we have LS motor with a Synfig supercharger. Air intake goes here. The intercooler is, well, back there. Yeah. Porsche Panamera station wagon with the optional Porsche ski rack. Painted in the same color as the car, designed and engineered by Porsche. And you can tell because most ski rack mount on top of the rail. Porsche mounted a little lower onto the rail so it can lower the center of gravity because, you know, they're Porsche. That's what they do. The ski rack is good for up to 150 miles an hour, which is pretty fast for a ski rack, really. See, it's true. When you make noise, you do attract attention. Ferrari SF90 coming in. I see carbon fiber wheels. Yeah. Almost 1,000 horsepower, the fastest Ferrari made. Ferrari Italia, Italia Spider, and this Spider has the optional F1 Spider seats. These are cool. They look really nice. Look quite comfortable too. Lots of carbon fiber on this one. Very well specs. Another Italia, so 3 Italias. Nice. 992, Lamborghini Huracan, Lamborghini Aventador, Purple Performante. Oh, look, check it out. A Z8. Haven't seen one of these in like forever. Very classy roadster. AMG GT, McLaren 650S convertible, another Lamborghini Urus, wrapped in matte yellow, and BMW wagon, camel, and all carbon fiber body Nissan GTR, and the owner explaining it. Another Lamborghini STO and Lamborghini Huracan with an STO style body kit. And of course the motorcycles. Yeah, motorcycles are welcome at Cars and Coffee. And you can see the rest of the lot here, more motorcycles. And check out this motorcycle right here. I want to see this one. Wow, that's a big front wheel. Oh my words, that's nuts. that is really cool. I like that. All right, so this is South OC Cars and Coffee. Happens every Saturday from 9 to 11. If you're a car enthusiast, this is where you need to be on a Saturday morning. If you're in the area, come check it out. It's a rollicking good time. John Chow from johnchow.com. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, please like and share the video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.